Hello friends and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I want to show you how to put your browser in incognito mode. Okay, so with incognito mode, your website activities, your browsing history, your cookies, the site data, the information you enter on your browser, okay, it won't show. Okay, they won't save on your browser. Before we get started, if today is your first time I've come to my channel, you're welcome to Hontech Studio. What I do in this channel is to upload helpful videos that help you to bypass any issue on your smartphone. So if you're ready to subscribe, I want to hit that subscribe button now and turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop this kind of helpful video. So with that being said, let's quickly get started. And if you're watching this video on TikTok, don't forget to follow for more videos like this. So what you want to do is to just open your browser. Okay, I'll show you how to do this on other browsers, so in case you're not using only Chrome browser, I'll show you how to do it on other browsers. Once you just open your browser, this is what it will be showing on a normal. Your browser will be showing like this on a normal. Okay, so once it's showing like this, what you want to do is to come to this three dotted line here. Okay, just click on the three dotted line there. Once you just tap on it, okay, you see the new incognito tab here, just tap on it. Okay, so once you just tap on it, whatever you browse here on this incognito mode, it won't save. Your browsing history won't be saved, your cookies and data, every information you enter here won't be saved on your browser. Now for you to remove it, you can just come over to your tab here. Once you're done browsing, you can just come over to the tab there, just cancel it. Okay, just cancel it. Then you will now go back to your normal browser. Okay, so if you're using Opera Mini, you can also do this on your Opera Mini browser. Once you just open the browser, it will be showing like this. What you want to do is click on your tabs. Look at your tabs down here. Look at the tabs down there. Just tap on the tabs. Okay, once you just tap on the tabs, what you want to do is to come over to this private. Look at this private here. Just tap on the private. Immediately you tap on the private, look at the plus icon down there. Just tap on the plus icon there. Okay, you see that you have been switched to private mode, which is the incognito mode. Okay, if you want to switch back to your normal browser, just tap on the tab again. Okay, you can just cancel this one here. Once you're done with the incognito mode, just cancel it. Okay, you come over to the normal. You can see normal here. Just tap on normal there. Okay, once you just tap on it, okay, you can now go back to browsing on your normal browser. So if you really got value from today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Okay, if you're ready to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop this kind of helpful video. And if you're watching this video on Twitter, don't forget to follow me for more videos like this. Thanks for watching to the end, guys, and I will see you on my next video.